Hi guys, I got it up and running with the DMX and Bluetooth Bluesmith. I first connected the Arduino that we have here, if you can see it in all the mess, to my iMac, and there I uploaded serial to DMX. You'll get the code in Dropbox, and I changed the baud rate to 115,200, and that made it work. I got the Bluetooth equipment here, and now I will try and connect with the computer that I'm using for filming. I'll start the DMX mouse and keys, which is a program that I also put on Dropbox to control the DMX and the lamp that I have over there. I'll try and connect now to the Bluetooth, and it should turn green if it can connect. Let's hope it does that. It didn't do that. I'll try again. Let's see. Come on, you can do it. Yes! Now it's connected. And you can see it from all my stuff. You can see there's a lamp here. And now we'll try and turn it blue. Yeah, that worked. Turn the blue down a bit. Turn it red. Red down a bit. Green. Yeah, you can see that. That's good. And full up for the lights. Yeah. As you can see, guys, it works. Turn some of it out again. Yeah. See you.